garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a damaged coolant line. Maybe you have a slow leak or even a major leak. I'm going to show you how you can remove that bad section and then go ahead and patch it with a piece of hose, some hose clamps, as long as you need to make sure that the hose is actually, that it's rated for liquid and that it's coated on the inside, so that way you don't have it failing on you. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you how to do that.
Here's the radiator line for the coolant going under the car. You can see there's the drip. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take all this off, see where the leak is so we can replace that. All right, just removing all the old, there we go, so we can see what's going on under there. That's approximately where the leak is, where that bracket is. So let's take a look. Okay, here's the lower line. You can see the upper one there behind it, and there's a little pinhole break right there. So that's where it's leaking. That's what we need to fix to take care of this issue, and then we can go ahead and put a new hose over it, and that takes care of our coolant leak. What I'm doing, I'm going to cut out that section of the of this coolant line that has the damage to it, and then we're going to go ahead and sleeve a liquid graded hose over that, and then use some hose clamps to tighten that, to bridge that, and then that should fix our issue. The initial pipe has been cut here. So now the damaged section is right in this section here, so we're going to cut right about here, and then we're going to go ahead and sleeve that hose over it. And as mentioned before, please make sure that the hose is rated for liquid. The particular one I'm using is made for coolant. You don't want to just put any kind of hose on there because it'll leak through, and it can also damage the inside and cause it to fail. So make sure that it is rated for liquid and that it is coated on the inside. So let me go ahead and cut this piece off, and then we will go ahead and sleeve it. Okay, there we go. Here's the damaged piece right here. Yep. Well, I don't know if you saw in the last clip, there was a screw actually coming through. Somebody ran a screw to hold something on the inside of the car. It looks like they penetrated right through there, so that's the problem. So we're going to go ahead and replace that section with the hose, clamp it on there, and that should solve this issue of the leaking coolant line. We have the first hose clamp here. We have it fed in. I've got pretty much about that much of the metal line tucked in there, and then the hose clamp coming right here near the lip of it right here, nice and tight. So now we're going to go ahead and sleeve this piece in. So we have, let's see here, this piece here that then we need to go ahead and sleeve inside here. So we'll go ahead and get that in. I'm going to put the camera down so I can go ahead and do that, and then we'll put the hose clamps on that as well. All right, there it is all put in there. Clamps are nice and tight. Hose is nice and secure, and the bad piece has been removed. So now I'm just going to go ahead and mount the clamp back in here, holding all this back up, and that'll wrap it up.
All right, well that pretty much wraps up this episode on how to fix a damaged or leaking coolant line. I hope this video helped you out. Please send any questions, any comments. As always, we appreciate the support, so please like the video and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time.